Seawolves. Today was a perfect Boardwalkathon, best ever. Thank you so much to the team who put in all the work planning for this and our incredible PTA for funding this event. I hope everyone had a great time, from our 6th graders just starting to our 12th graders on their way out. Happy Boardwalkathon, everyone.
Our favorite boardwalk experience is getting to walk the boardwalk with each other every year in high school.
My favorite boardwalk memory is wearing this wig and wearing a wig last year because it was so funny.
My boardwalk was pretty fun. I got to meet a bunch of people. I saw the seniors. Yeah, it was a good day.
This Boardwalkathon, I think it went great. You know, the weather is very nice. It's not too hot. And I think that, like, all the vibes, it was just chill, and it was, like, a good time overall.
My Boardwalkathon experience, it was really kind of sentimental for me. I got to see all, like, my senior and junior friends walk across, and it was really nice to just see them. I really like this tradition because it brings the entire Scholars Academy community together.
All right, so on the boardwalk, we had a really good time. Got in those early morning steps. Nice little walk to spend time with the friends.
I love the playground.
It was great as a senior to walk with some of my best friends for the last time.
Yeah.
I would personally say that my Boardwalkathon experience was very fun and nice to do. And it was pretty fun, like to walk a lot, yeah.
I had a really good Boardwalkathon experience. I was in the cheer area, and I just had a lot of fun.
My favorite Boardwalkathon experience was the ice pop.
My Boardwalkathon experience was amazing. We led the crowd holding the banner, and as student government president, it was an amazing experience. And now we're out in the yard with fun games, activities, and much more. Thank you.
Every year since the Boardwalkathon started back in 2022, I've always been out on it, and every time it's been pretty fun.
It was just an awesome experience, so I'm really happy, and now we're here and everyone's getting snacks. It's a really positive day. Big fan.
My favorite experience is wearing these wigs with my friends and showing scholar spirit.
My Boardwalkathon experience, I think it was really nice. I was walking with student government, and I was able to really talk to the new VP and the president, and I think it was just a nice experience for, you know, everybody. And like what Kayla said, it brings everybody together.
I ate 4 bags of cotton candy, and that was fun. It's amazing.
My Boardwalkathon experience was amazing.
Yeah, I had a lot of fun, especially in the yard after.
Yes, the food was great.
My favorite memory is like hanging out with my friends and everything, so yeah.
Okay, my Boardwalkathon experience is like when I was cheering, and like everyone was watching me, so yeah.
My boardwalk experience is like walking with my friends and like spending time with them.
I think this is like really, really memorable because obviously this is my first Boardwalkathon, hopefully for the first time. And also because a lot of memories happen here, so yeah.
My favorite boardwalk experience is when we were walking and my parents ended up showing up.
So this is my first year here at Scholars, so this is my first Boardwalkathon, and it exceeded my expectations. Beautiful day, beautiful people, all coming together, and it couldn't have gone better. I'm having so much fun.
My Boardwalkathon experience was so fun, and I really enjoyed walking and enjoying the view.
All right, my favorite Boardwalkathon experience is dancing with Adam Edward in the playground.
And I reciprocate that. My last one with Mr. Rand.
Aww. We're gonna take our acts on the road, all right?
It was really fun. I'm glad I got to bond with my cheer team on a nice day, and now we're outside, and it's so really nice.
And, you know, we're gonna, like, get the snacks, you know, have fun with the DJ, and celebrate the end of the year. So, yeah.
My boardwalk experience today was so fun and exciting and energetic. My favorite part was seeing all the excited students when they got to the boardwalk and were giving Sammy the Seawolf high fives, hugs, and pounds. Go Seawolves!